Welcome to EQAI Morning Briefing. I'm here to give you the latest updates and insights from the world of business and politics, focusing on the ripple effects of recent events and what they mean for you. Let's start with President Joe Biden's exit from the presidential race. This unexpected move has raised questions about its impact on gasoline prices, especially with the summer driving season nearing its end. Analysts are keenly watching how this shift could influence prices at the pump, as well as overall market sentiment. Speaking of market sentiment, it's worth noting that Kamala Harris has seen a surge in campaign contributions, raising nearly $50 million since Biden's departure. This influx of grassroots donations might signal a robust backing as she positions herself for the upcoming election. Bookmakers are giving her nearly a 40% chance of defeating Donald Trump. But with the political landscape shifting rapidly, these odds could change overnight. In the realm of finance, the stock market is experiencing some volatility. Analysts are eyeing key levels, particularly the 10-year Treasury yield, which needs to stay below 4% for a sustained rotation away from big tech. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 has shown resilience, up 16% this year, but experts warn against complacency and suggest avoiding certain investing moves. One sector that's gaining attention is manufacturing and infrastructure, with stocks in these areas trading at a discount compared to the broader S&P 500. Investment in these sectors is expected to grow profits rapidly through 2026, making it a space to watch. Now, let's turn our attention to some tech news. The Crowdstrike outage continues to make waves. This incident affected millions of devices and has drawn criticism for its impact on several companies, including Delta and major brokerage firms like Schwab and E*Trade. As they scramble to recover from the fallout, analysts suggest this might be a one-time discount sale for investors looking at Crowdstrike stock. In other tech news, NVIDIA's stock is on the rise, as analysts predict a potential revenue beat for the upcoming quarter. Meanwhile, Alphabet is also set to report earnings, and Wall Street will be keenly watching for insights into AI developments. Switching gears, let's discuss the housing market. A recent study highlights that middle-class income requirements can vary significantly across the U.S., with cities like San Francisco requiring upwards of $250,000. As housing prices continue to soar, Biden's proposal for national rent control raises questions about its effectiveness in actually lowering costs. And if you thought wedding expenses were only a couple's concern, a new study reveals single guests spend about $273 more than couples when attending weddings. It's a reminder of how costs can sneak up on us, regardless of our relationship status. Finally, let's wrap up with some consumer news. McDonald's is extending its $5 value meal offer in most U.S. markets, responding to competitors trying to draw diners back to restaurants amid rising food costs. It's a small win for budget-conscious consumers looking to stretch their dollars. So, as we navigate this intricate web of political shifts, market fluctuations, and consumer habits, remember to keep an eye on both the local and broader economic landscapes. That's it for today's EQAI Morning Briefing. Stay informed, and I'll see you next time.